2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.